Hey guys, it's Jarex13 here, and today we are playing some Cuphead. So at the moment, it's not letting us go back. Game. Oh, so we won't know how long this video is. Jordan, do you have your phone so you can set a timer like for 14 minutes? Okay, so for those of you who don't know what Cuphead is, it's a really fun game that, well, of course, it's really hard, but yeah, me and my cousins played it. We got to aisle 2, I believe. Yeah.
We've done a lot of secrets. We can't get very far only because it's the process of, we can't beat them. It's like super hard.
So I think, oh yeah, join. Do you want to try the bird one? That's one that we haven't done yet. It's a fly one though. But... So yeah, did you set a timer?
I already did.
Okay, good.
So when the radar sound goes off, then we're going to have to stop the video there, you guys.
It could be like a few seconds over.
Okay, here we go. Cuckoo clock.
It's not a cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo clock. Oh my god.
Why is he barfing Yoshi eggs? He's barfing Yoshi eggs. Dude, those belong to Yoshi, not you. I forgot how to shrink. Oh, got it. Okay, definitely not this way. Okay, go down.
I don't know what I'm doing.
No! Turn me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Help me!
No!
Okay, that was a warm-up. We made it to the second thing. He's not hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to let you know, we have to fight his son, Jordan.
What are you talking about? I'm not ready to be a father. Ow! I hurt.
Dude, this part's kind of hard.
What? We're going to be such a jerk, man.
Dude, this is hard. Like, if you think this game's easy,
yeah, it's not.
It's not even close.
So, I don't care.
Sorry if you can't hear him too good. Do you want to try the ones that we're used to?
Also, yeah, let's get some practice. Also, you guys, what we're going to do is after this episode, we are going to upload another video on Escapist 2.
Yeah. We haven't really done anything on that. I've had that game for a while. I wanted to do videos on it, but I just have, it's pretty hard. I would have been really bad, so you're going to see him and me play that, so, yeah. Oh, and also, guys, when you get this, oh, that's a running gun. If you ever, remember this is the one where all the trampolines and balloons and stuff. If you ever do decide to get this game, you should really change your controls. It gets kind of annoying with controls.
Yeah, there's bad controls on purpose.
Like, they have you do arrows, X, Z, X, and C to do stuff, and then shift to dash. I mean, shift to dash is okay, like, it's fun.
Run and gun.
Wait.
There we go, let's switch. Oh.
No.
My dude, that hurt.
Boing.
Oh,
Boing.
it's this one.
Boing. Boing. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to jump and dash, and he follows you.
Yeah.
No.
I am now dead.
Come here.
Oh, God. He's coming for you. Why would you jump into that? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get on him.
You're terrible. You keep jumping into the balloons. You suck.
I don't really like the running guns. I like the bosses better than the running guns. He's got the chaser. And guys, there's a problem with Mugman, just to let you know. Like, he'll drink his blood. Like, it's weird. If you ever get this game and you play it on...
They're a cup. That's not blood. Yee! Oh,
Okay.
Don't pop the balloons.
Oh gosh. Always be on the lookout for those guys. Oh god. It's this part.
Oh, does the ball hurt?
I don't know.
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Very much.
It hurts. It hurts you very much.
Oh, you just keep hitting it.
Oh, okay, guys. We'll
You
keep.
get things for it? No, you don't get anything for it. Parry me. You get a thing for that.
Nice.
Okay, we shoot it.
I feel like you're supposed to shoot those, but whatever.
Oh,
Oh yeah. No!
can't get you.
Dang it! Oh, I thought you died.
No, you did.
I was like, what?
Let's go again. Kill him again.
So yeah, guys, you don't start out with these weapons. You have to get them in shop. So
Pew.
I'm using the spread. He's using the chaser. So if you're wondering what weapons we have in case you ever do decide to get this game, yeah.
Wait for me.
Ah.
You wait for me. I'm gonna die. See, now you're dead. Oh, I'm Jason Bourne. Oh! I just went super.
Yeah, he
Saiyan.
also has the smoke bomb, guys, so he can dash with invisibility, and I have the extra life. And also, guys, if you didn't know about this game, you get 3 coins to start with, but
What? It touched my foot.
I don't know if you know the secret, guys. If you do tutorial, there's a coin, and after that, you actually get to keep the coin. So you get 4 to start with. You're usually only supposed to get 3, but you can get 4.
Yeet.
You're mean.
Yeet.
No, Jordan,
I can't see where he is. Thanks, you're gonna make me die.
and I'm gonna die. Look,
We're both gonna die because you're an idiot.
no.
See?
Let's do one of the bosses instead. Yeah.
Guys, we have 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay, I don't really think we need to know about the seconds, but okay, let's know about them.
Leanus.
Hey.
Leanus.
Yeah,
Leanus,
guys.
your elbow.
Let's do one that we've already done before, so we know experience. I think the candy's the easiest, or is it the genie?
The genie. You still need
Oh
to
wait,
take this guy off.
Jordan, we need to show him. We need to show them.
How many times we died?
Hey guys, so if you haven't known, there's a little thing on IO2. Talk to him. Through all your battles and all my rhymes, you have failed and first 736 times. So, as you heard there, we lost
We died that many times.
736 times. That's not a lot at all.
This is gonna be hard. Right?
The clown dude's hard, just to let you know. I always thought he was like on the last aisle, but apparently not. Times like this, I wish I had a smoke bomb. It's really good.
Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
In this battle, it's really good at least.
I also have
He has smoke bomb, I have extra heart. I'm switching my weapon. Dang it, I went too soon. Okay. This is actually the best for this one. Because you need far distance. And that does a lot of damage. Dude. Finally. Oh yeah, he's the balloon now. So now this is good. I always thought this was like the last one, but it's not. I always
We're on
forget.
simple mode, so this is easy, you guys, by the way. Because there's not as many boss fight parts and shit.
Like there's not as many parts. Gimme. But still, even on simple, it's still really hard. Like, don't think that it's not gonna be hard. Oh yeah, he has invincibility for like a few seconds, and it's really good. But I have something else that's pretty good too.
Oops, I accidentally dodged it.
Oh, I accidentally dodged it. Okay, he's gonna get on a horse now. Remember
What?
that. And it shoots that. Just to let you know. Guys, it's really, even though it's on simple, yeah, it's still really hard. Like, it's extreme.
Oh, I don't know why, but I felt like, no! I was so close. How close was I?
Oh my goodness, the end was right there.
I'm so good. I don't
Oh
know.
yeah, guys, the last round he turns into, not the last round on simple mode, but on a different, like on regular, he turns into like, you know those carnival rides where you're on horses and stuff. What are those called? Well, that's his final stage in this. And it's really soon. Yeah, merry-go-round. Oh, yeah, I just noticed. In simple mode, the roller coaster is in it. That's sad.
I tried carrying. I'm about to die.
You and me both. This is what gets annoying.
Now let me tell you why.
This is probably his coolest stage, though. Is this one?
I like the dogs.
Why? Why do you like the dogs? They're horrible.
Help! Nice double parry.
Dang it! No!
I wasn't ready! I was still getting revived. No! I should have used my own. I need better weapons. I need to swap out my blue one for the triple shot, but I don't have 3 points.
What do you mean you need to swap it out?
The blue gun, I want to swap it out for your gun so I have more damage. We should revisit one of the older bosses.
Probably. I feel like the garden should be a good practice.
Okay, with the flower.
I think garden, the flower's extreme hard.
No, we did. After we figured out what to do.
Mm.
That easy. I just want more points.
Dude, how do you inflate your head? Like, seriously. Are you supposed to be a balloon? Very scary one indeed. Why does your head look like that, sir? Did you get infected or something? Or were you, or are you just Hulk and you worked right there? I have a feeling like we can beat him.
Together, forever.
No! Pay me!
Forever.
Okay, good.
Yeet. I said forever.
Dude, when is he gonna die? Like,
No.
I think this is longer than last time. Okay.
Not yet.
Yeah, I was saving it for this one.
Oh, he's on this side.
No!
No!
Oh,
Okay, let's go to the older one so we can get our skills.
not the flower. The flower's kind of hard.
Okay, we have 2 minutes until this video is over, people.
I really feel like we should do the plant one because that doesn't take us as long. I really feel like we should just end it now because it takes a while to get out of full screen.
Okay.
So, guys, I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!